Be yourself. Don't let others decide your future. Peer pressure is when friends influence your choices for good or bad, and every student faces it at some point in life. Choose friends who inspire you to become a better person, and never do something wrong just to fit in with others. Because every choice you make today shapes your tomorrow. Think before you click. Online pressure is still peer pressure. Wanting to belong is normal, but making the right choice is smarter. Pause, think, and choose what is right, not what is popular. A simple no can protect your future, and real confidence means standing up for what you believe is right. True friends respect your decisions, they never force you. Helping a friend make safe choices is what real friendship means. And walking away from a bad situation is a sign of strength, not weakness. Studies show we take more risks when friends are watching, so think before you act. Don't believe the myth that everyone is doing it. Most students make responsible choices. One smart decision today can protect your entire future. If you're feeling pressured, talk to someone you trust. You are never alone. Your greatest superpower is making your own decisions. Be brave enough to be yourself, even when others choose a different path.